Hello and welcome everyone. In this section, we'll be applying the basic concepts of coplanar vectors in this problem. Now, coplanar vectors A, B, and C are such that the magnitude of A and B is 1, A dot B is half, B dot C is negative half, and A dot C is 2. Now, we are being asked to find an expression for C in terms of A and B. Now, just take a minute, read through the question, pause the video, and try your hands on it. Now, I'm assuming that you've done that. The expression that relates coplanar vectors is C is equal to a constant multiplying a vector, let's say A, plus mu and the vector B, and we have to show that these are vectors. Now, why didn't we? Now we can equally relate these three vectors as A, which is equal to lambda C, right, plus mu B. But we've been told that we are to find an expression, right, in terms of C, right? Therefore, the first equation is the most ideal equation we are to use. Now, we've been told that A dot B is half, B dot C is negative half, and A dot C is 2. Now, from this equation, right, we can dot both sides of our equation by A, right? So we have A dot C, which is equal to A, the magnitude of A squared, plus mu multiplying A dot B, right? Now, dot product is commutative. That means that A dot B is equal to B dot A. Now, that's just by the way. Now, we've been told that A dot C is 2, right? So A dot C, we have 2. The magnitude of A is half because the vector A multiplied by the vector A is equal to, so the magnitude of A is 1. So we have lambda multiplying 1 plus mu A dot B. Now A dot B is equal to half. Right, so this is our first equation. Now take note, in the first equation, we multiplied both sides of the equation by C. Now in our next equation, we are still going to use C is equals lambda A plus mu B. But in this example, we are going to be, in this case, we are going to be multiplying both sides of the equation by B. So by doing so, we have B dot C is equal to lambda A dot B plus mu B square, right? So this results in the magnitude of B square. Now we have B dot C as negative half. We have A dot B as half. So we have mu lambda on 2 plus mu the magnitude of B squared, which is of course 1, right? 1. Therefore, we have two equations. So from 1, we can multiply both sides of our equation by 2, which results in 4 is equal to 2 lambda plus mu, right? And we can multiply this equation also by 2, which results in negative 1 is equal to lambda plus 2 mu. Now, we have these two equations. This being our first equation, and this being our second equation. And solving this simultaneously, we get mu to be equal to negative 2 and lambda to be 3. Therefore, inserting these values back into our original equation, this results in C, the vector C, which is equal to 3, the vector A, right, minus 2, the vector B. And this over here is our final equation. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to be kept updated. This is Teach Me Maths. Bye.